Welcome to our latest update. With several updates designed to reduce errors and give you more flexibility, let's get right into the swing of what's new in your September update. Rolling forward into a new tax year couldn't be easier. Personal tax users can now choose to roll forward from any existing tax return, whether in progress or completed. With no more wasted time re-entering work you've already done, you can focus on optimizing the fresh start of the new tax year. You're only human and mistakes can be made even when inputting the simplest of data. But when we noticed a lot of time being wasted due to errors being made at the period creation screen in final accounts, we applied validations to capture any issues before the period was created, reducing the risk of invalid date ranges being selected when creating comparatives. For Sage individual paid users, the new Record Partial Payment feature enables you to track partial payments made towards invoices, addressing real-world financial scenarios. By accurately recording partial payments, you no longer have to wait to mark invoices paid in full and always know where you stand with your customers. Level up your purchase management with Sage Accounting. Now you can easily allocate refunds to purchase transactions just like in the sales area, making refunds easy to process when they're due, but a credit note is not necessary. Plus, you can detach payments from invoices and record them as a payment on account, giving you more flexibility and control over your transactions. Accurate real-time financial consolidations in multi-currencies are now possible in minutes for Futrli subscribers. It's perfect for national or regional groups, franchises, and complex business structures. For consolidation management that's fast, reliable, and always on, with chart of accounts organization and automated intercompany elimination, head to your Futrli dashboard. It's ready to use at no extra cost. That's a wrap on your updated features this month. We'll catch you next time for more new features hot off the press.